Alright, so now we're going to look at the effect that surface area has on a chemical reaction. So we're going to look at the reaction between antacid tablets, which we learned in Unit 3 are a base, and vinegar, which we learned in Unit 3 is an acid. So in each one of my containers, I'm going to put 2 antacid tablets. In the first one, I'm going to use 2 whole tablets exactly as they come in the bottle. In my second container, I've crushed the tablets up a little bit, so we have some really big chunks. I'm going to put those in my container. I'm going to make sure they spread out a little bit here. And in the last one, I took 2 antacid tablets and I crushed them up into a very fine powder. I'm going to pour those in my last container here. Again, I'm going to make sure it kind of spreads itself out here so that it's nice and across the entire bottom. So now, to each one of these, I'm going to add just a little bit of vinegar. Just enough to cover these tablets. Go. Second one. And the third one. So we're going to look at these a little close up here. So here are 2 whole tablets. You can see our reaction is starting. Those are our bubbles. Here's our second one with our chunks. It's a little harder to see, but if you look down at this level, you can see all the bubbles forming on top. If you listen closely, you might be able to hear it. This is our third, and look at that one. Definite bubbles. We're going to kind of swirl it around, help it react. So you want to think about which one of these is producing the most bubbles. Again, if you listen close, you can hear them kind of fizz. And those are the 2 whole tablets in this one. We'll shake them a little bit too. Give them a chance. So which one seems to be producing the most bubbles?